Do you want to know how you can log in to your Movement Mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Movement Mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then open Google. Now in the Google search bar, search for Movement. And then you can see the Movement Mortgage login over here. Click on the first link, which is the official login portal of Movement Mortgage. If you don't have an account yet, click sign up and create yourself an account. Or if you have an account, go ahead and fill your email address, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully log in to your Movement Mortgage account. If you have any kind of problems or trouble in signing in, click this link, write down your email, click send link, and you will get a verification mail. Go ahead and check it, verify it, and then you can get your account back, or you can change your account's password quite easily. This was a video on how you can log into your Movement Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.